on. We have started with our 12th lesson, that is perimeter and area. 11th lesson, that is measurement, we will start later. So basically this lesson is perimeter and area. So what is mean by perimeter? Basically we will study that first. Perimeter means what? Addition of all sides. If any figure is given to you, the perimeter of that figure is addition of all the sides or sum of all the sides. Now square, you can see square has 4 sides. So addition of all that 4 sides is said to be as perimeter. You can see over here rectangle. What is the perimeter of a rectangle? Addition of all 4 sides of the rectangle is said to be as its perimeter. So right now you can see over here, you are knowing square is having all sides are equal. So square, all sides are equal. So you can see 4 centimeter is here. So this will be also 4 centimeter. This will be also 4 centimeter. And this will be also 4 centimeter. Now what is meant by centimeter? Centimeter is the unit which is used to measure the length. So it is 4 centimeter. So how we are going to write the perimeter? So perimeter of square is equal to 4 centimeter plus 4 centimeter plus 4 centimeter plus 4 centimeter. Why I have done 4 times? 4, 4, 4, 4. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. So the addition will be 16 centimeter. Whichever unit is used, you are supposed to give that unit itself. Now you can see in the next question, they have asked you the perimeter of a rectangle. Perimeter of the rectangle will be addition of all the sides. So perimeter of rectangle is equal to 6 plus 3 plus 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3 plus 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 6 is 15 and 15 plus 3 is 18. So it is total 18 centimeter. So you can remove perimeter of any figure you want. So now we will see the perimeter of triangle and some random figures. So now we are going to see the perimeter of a triangle. Again I am telling you perimeter means what? Addition of all the sides. So perimeter of triangle will be addition of all the sides of the triangle. So right now 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 5 centimeter are the sides of the triangle. So what will be the perimeter? The perimeter of triangle is equal to 3 centimeter plus 4 centimeter plus 5 centimeter. So what will be the addition? 3 plus 4 plus 5. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 5 is 12 centimeter. So the addition is 12 centimeter. So now we are given over here some random figures. Now you are supposed to tell me what will be the addition of this because they want you the perimeter. So perimeter means what? Addition of all the sides. Whichever random figure they will give you, you are supposed to add all the sides. That will be its perimeter. Addition of all the sides. Okay? Measurement of all the sides. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9 and 9 plus 3 is 12. So this will be 12 centimeter. Now 2 plus 2 plus 2. Like it is over here, triangle is present over here. So what will be the perimeter? 2 plus 2 plus 2, it will be 6 centimeter. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. So here the addition will be 12. Now there is no centimeter meter given to you. So whenever there is no centimeter meter, you are supposed to use units. So it is 12 units. Okay, this will be your notification then. Okay, so now we are going to study about the area. So now we are going to start with the area. So basically what is meant by the area? Area is the place occupied by any of the object. Okay, area is that place or the surface occupied by any of the object. Right now you can see this square. This square, it is divided into 4 parts. This single part which you can see over here, this measures of 1 square centimeter. What is the measurement of it? It is 1 square centimeter. I will just explain out to you. Centimeter is the unit to measure it. Why square? Because you can see over here, this square is the unit represented for defining or represented for particular area. If you are finding out area of any figure, always remember you are supposed to use the word square into it. Why? Because you are taking the side, you are considering the all sides of it. So right now, this is a particularly square present over here. This one is said to be this one box which you can see over here, square box. Its measurement is 1 square centimeter. I have told you area means what? Area is the area. It is the place occupied by the object. So right now this is occupying 1 square centimeter, 2 square centimeter, 3 square centimeter, 4 square centimeter. So the answer will be 4 square centimeter. Right now this is of 1 square centimeter. How many total squares are present over here? You can clearly see 1 square centimeter, 2 square centimeter, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the answer will be 9 square centimeter. In this, area is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is 6 square meter. Now this is changing. This can be changing. If the question is given in meter, you are supposed to write square meter. If the question they are telling you it is centimeter, you are going to use square centimeter. If there is no unit given, you are supposed to use square unit. It totally depends upon that question itself. So remember that area is the place occupied by an object. So unit is always square centimeter. For perimeter, you are using always centimeter, meter or units. For perimeter, these are the units which are used. Compulsorily they are used. Without units, you cannot define or you cannot write the answer. Unit is necessary. Your marks you are going to lose if you are not supposed to write it. This is a unit for measuring the perimeters, and for area you are going to use square centimeter, square meter or square units. Is this clear? Okay. So this is up to this lesson. Measurement lesson which I have already not taught now. That lesson I am going to cover after this lesson. Just for the sake, it is very lengthy, it will take too much of time. So I require the proper equipment to show you the things also. Thank you.